I think any builder would agree with me that a crack always appears where the window slope meets the window. At Tennevoy Profile, we've solved this problem. In my hands, I have a new profile for window and door slopes. Why do these cracks appear? The plastered slope joins directly with the window, but plaster can't handle deformation. And the window itself is an independent structure. It is affected by wind and temperature loads, undergoes elastic deformation, and as a result, cracks inevitably appear at this spot. How does this profile work? It separates the slope from the window, so you end up with an independent structure, and additionally, you get an aesthetically pleasing joint in the form of a shadow gap 1.5 millimeters wide. To temporarily attach the profile to the window, you need to apply double-sided adhesive tape to a specially prepared ledge and stick the profile to the window. For a secure fixation of the profile, fill the cavity between the profile and the slope with foam adhesive. Additionally, this provides thermal and sound insulation. After the foam adhesive has dried, insert any sheet material into the profile groove, drywall, aqua panel, or roost panel. Alternatively, fill the cavity with plaster. To protect the frame from putty and paint, apply masking tape. Putty the window slope. Remove any excess putty that gets into the shadow gap using a cloth wipe and a spatula. We've achieved a great result. You can see that we've preserved the shadow gap, and most importantly, we've maintained the proper technique. Now the slope does not reach all the way to the window.